Hi, I'm from Tools for FRP. Even after doing everything as per textbook, you are getting air in your parts. When we mix resin and hardener, a lot of air bubbles are formed. These are often entrapped within the matrix. Even if we leave the mixture for some time to settle, you cannot eliminate them completely. Degasification of dissolved gases from resin is necessary to achieve a perfect cure. We make a host of degassing systems in different chamber sizes coupled with suitable pumps. For today's demonstration, we selected our tiny pump with 4 cubic meters per hour displacement coupled with 10 liters degassing chamber. Place your beaker in which resin was mixed inside degassing chamber. Start the vacuum pump. In a few seconds, you will see gases emitting from resin. A lot of effervescence is created. Open and close the venting valve a few times to remove gases from chamber. This also bars gases to enter the pump. In a few minutes, your resin mixture is totally free from air.